Welcome to the Jailbreak Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
I won't walk you through jailbreaking or bypassing paid services. That crosses into evasion of terms and potential illegal activity, so I'll explain safe, legal options instead. Start by confirming your Fire TV model and that it's updated to the latest firmware. Make sure your Amazon account is active and paired. Once done, decide which legitimate apps or official sideloaded apps you need and why. Make sure to back up any important settings and understand developer options only for lawful installs. Once you accept boundaries, pursue legal customization. Install from the Amazon App Store for automatic updates and compatibility. If sideloading, limit yourself to apps you legally own or open source projects and verify their safety. Avoid instructions for evasion. Use Plex, Embuy, or manufacturer apps to stream your own media legally and configure apps through their official settings screens. Make sure to read each app's permissions and privacy notes so you know what data is shared and why before enabling it. Finish with good security and recovery practices. Keep Fire OS current and enable two-factor authentication on your Amazon account. This protects purchases and settings. Consider a reputable VPN for privacy over public Wi-Fi and use only trusted providers. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache and data, reinstall it from the Amazon App Store or the vendor's official source, and reboot the Fire TV. If problems persist, contact Amazon support or the app developer for authorized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.